We're gonna go out and visit 3 buildings today. The first one we'll go to is Millennium Tower, which is right next to Downtown Crossing. Today we kind of want to talk about like some of the challenges that come from building a building like this. This project was started around 2014. So you can see behind me, we have a 55-story mixed-use building. You have retail on the ground floor and then residential above. Millennium Tower occupies this former space of Filene's basement. At the time when they started that building, it was the single largest concrete pour the city had ever seen. It went for 16 hours or so, I think it took them to pour that. And that's the foundation of the building that, you know, that holds up the whole 55-story structure. This actually used to be one big continuous building that was 100+ years old. They demolished half of it to put this tower up. But as you can see, they maintained the old facade on the original building. So Feldman initially provided the ALTA survey, the boundary survey for the property. We located structural elements for demolition and then for the design team to work off of. What you can see in a building like this is the building can actually get drawn towards the sun, so it'll actually lean a little bit towards the south, and then the south side will actually expand more than the north side because it's heating up a little bit more. Designers have to account for that. That's why they build expansion joints into buildings. Everything is built with a certain amount of tolerance in mind and a certain amount of movement. But it makes it challenging for us to lay out reference marks on the slab that have to be a set distance apart from each other when the slab is actually moving. So when we talk about the structure moving, we're talking about the building expanding and contracting with the heat, shrinking as the weight of the building compresses the building. The geotechs actually did an amazing job of calculating. We came out, we monitored for multiple years, and they nailed it. I hope you enjoyed our tour of some of the high-rises in Boston. As you can see, Feldman is helping to build the Boston skyline.